Okay, I'm going to create a kind of a pigment colour explosion effect on Gimp. I've been messing around with this for a few days. Some brushes I put in, so I'm going to open a background first, and I found some gradients. I think it's better with a gradient background, just looks better. So this kit, I'm going to leave a link, and there's some backgrounds in it. So let's try something now. Oh, I don't know, I ain't tried this one. Limeade. This is kind of like really light, kind of lime background. Let's see, unless it's too deep. No, that's probably all right. Okay. So I want something in the foreground, something green, a lot darker, maybe not quite. Okay, have to reduce the size of the brushes. So once installed, this is a very nice brush kit. Still a bit too big. Oops. That was the wrong thing, I was checking. Okay. Clicked on there. There you have a kind of a powder effect. I clicked in the wrong place, mind. Edit, undo paintbrush. I'm going to start again. I wanted it nearer the bottom and smaller. And there you have a sort of a powdery effect. If you want it, powdery effect. Nice. Very nice brush set. Powdery effect at the bottom. Maybe powder rising or something. There's 20 on this. Tools. There they are, 20. So let's try another one. You can double click and it kind of previews. Click on another one. I want something at the top. Maybe a lighter one like this. Yeah, we'll try that. So go to options. It's way too big. So this kit comes with 20 styles of brushes. That last one obviously gives a very cloudy effect. The others a bit more fine. So let's have a look at this. See, you can see more sort of like a pigmenty effect on there. Bit small, mind. Let's try that. It's very nice. So you can see that's the same brush, a bit bigger. Let's try it there again. Let's try it a bit bigger. Let's try it in the middle of those two. So the same brush, bigger, gorgeous. And you can see around there much more detail, much more of a pigment sort of feel. Very nice. Let's try a different brush. It's that one. Okay. Options. I've got to make that brush smaller. Okay. Let's see this one. I haven't seen this one before. There you are to the right. Very nice. You can see the effect sort of breaking off. Okay, let's get rid of some of these and explore in more detail, making them larger. Undoing paintbrushes now. Right, so this one, let's increase the size, take a better look. So you can see that in the center, and you can kind of see like an effect where the color pigment is breaking. There's a thicker texture in the center, and as it goes out, bits breaking off. Let's make that bigger still. So undo the paintbrush. Now paintbrush is on, bigger size, going over. You can see that nicely there. You see that? You can make some great kind of designs with that against gradients, sort of a lighter colour. So in this kit are 20 brushes, paintbrush, and I put about 5 very mild, very light gradients. Let's have another look. Let's have a look at this one. Okay, options. Let's get rid of that. Okay, puts that in the centre, unless it's too big. Oh, look at that, it's lovely. Stunning. You can see that sort of, the white gives it a kind of a firm look, and that green shading below, so it looks like there's a firmness breaking. I was trying to point at it, but obviously the brush was going around. How would I do that? I'm going to do that by just pointing at a tiny brush. Ha! So you can see there, that white shading gives it a kind of a firm look. Underneath, looks like it's breaking off. Great effect, fantastic effect there. Let's just try another one. reducing the size, and let's see what this one is. Oh, very fine, unless I missed, unless at the bottom it was, yeah, a little bit heavier. Very nice effect. Now you could, the more you click, the darker it would become, clicking over and over. So I've done it again. You see? Building up a darker feel. They can see there more clear segments breaking off. That's quite nice. I just need it to be a bit higher. I'm undoing the paintbrush and it's getting lighter. Less layers. Right. Still where I want it higher than that. Right, it's better. So you can see the detail of that brush, really good. Maybe I'll centre that instead. And there you are. Nice effect. Those are the brushes, about 20. Obviously you'll choose the foreground colour for the brush, and the background colour you can put it on pure white. Trying to add things to it now. There's another like a dropping explosion. Okay, discard the changes. Let's try another background. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's this one? Let's try this one. White to sort of pink effect. So maybe something red, maybe a bit darker. Nice background, changing gradients. Clicking over each layer, giving it a sort of a darker red. It's alright. Let's have a different brush. Okay, stunning one. I'm going to tone that down to a bit more of a red. Okay, let's try this. Gorgeous. Absolutely fantastic breaking of colours effect. That's just fantastic. Okay. So if you want that, there's a link there. I think there's 20 there. So I'll leave the link below.